Welcome to Cooking with Barry. Today, Barry is creating a romantic, savory, and simple salmon dinner for Valentine's Day. Start with 2 tablespoons of vegetable or chicken broth, then add 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. No, Barry, it isn't tasting time yet. Now mix in 1 tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce for a nice kick. Mix it all well, then sprinkle in salt and fresh ground pepper to your liking. Hey, pause off, Barry. We know the salmon is enticing, but it's not quite time to sample this savory dish. Let's get back to it. Okay, next place the salmon and asparagus on foil sheets and sprinkle on 4 teaspoons of fresh minced garlic, because everything is better with garlic. Drizzle the sauce over the salmon and asparagus and be generous. Then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, diced into small cubes on top. Doesn't that look amazing? Now it's time to get baking. Wrap the foil around the salmon and asparagus, crimping the edges up to seal it well. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then bake for 9 to 12 minutes once the oven reaches temp. Nice job! Top with 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley and enjoy a romantic Valentine's Day dinner for 2.